This is a quick video showing you how to provision a GitLab instance, Community Edition, on any VM, Linux VM, using the Ametnes cloud platform. So I'm currently logged into a demo project, and I've chosen DigitalOcean to provide us with the VM. However, you can do this on any VM as long as it is connected to the internet. So I will quickly create a droplet, and I will pick the 16 gig memory, 8 CPUs, and 300 gigabyte storage, disk storage. Set the password. Okay, so now we have an Ubuntu VM. So I will quickly copy the IP address so I can log in to the VM. Right. So the next step is we have to prep the VM as an Ametnes cloud location. So that means we have to install the Ametnes cloud agent. For instructions on how to do that, we have a blog post that contains a script that sets up your VM as an Ametnes cloud location. So I'll copy this script and paste it into the VM, which then creates the setup script for us. Let's just cut into it and see what the instructions are. And there we go. So to run this script, we need the IP address and a location UUID. So we can quickly copy the IP address from the DigitalOcean account. So supply that as the first argument. And then the second argument is the location UUID. So this is the ID that identifies this VM in the Ametnes Cloud platform. So for us to do that, I will quickly log into my Ametnes Cloud account. And I will create a new location. So I will generate a UUID. You can generate this on your terminal or whichever means that are available to you. Paste that there, give it a name and a description. We'll call it GitLab Community Demo, and then click Create. So now that we have created the Ametnes Cloud location, it is currently offline, as you can see. We refresh, it is offline. That is because we have not installed the agent in the VM. So we'll quickly go and do that as we supply the UUID as the second argument, and then let it run. If we go back to the Ametnes Cloud platform, in our account, just keep refreshing. That the location should come online shortly. Okay, so we now have our location online, so we should be ready to provision the GitLab instance. All this means is that the VM is currently connected to or is ready to receive instructions on how to provision instances from the Ametnes Cloud platform. So let's quickly go into our demo project and then click on services and then click new service. And in here, search for GitLab. Click the configure button, pick the community edition, and then pick the location ID, an alias. The alias is there just to give us a standard DNS name, give it some memory and some storage, and then supply a password. Select public, and that's it. This option here is if you want to supply SAML configuration, you want to log in via SAML, either Okta, Azure AD, Entra ID, or any other IDP provider. So I will then go ahead and click create. Okay, after about 5 to 6 minutes, you should then have your GitLab instance ready. And as you can see, the status has turned to ready. So let's hop over into the admin section, scroll all the way down, and then there are a bunch of endpoints to pick from. We want particularly the GitLab endpoint. We copy that and paste it into a new browser tab, and we should then be able to log into our GitLab instance. And that's it. So you can then go ahead. So we currently have logged in as the root or the administrator. You can carry on and configure your GitLab instance. And that is how to quickly set up a GitLab instance in your on any Linux VM. This could be in the cloud, in your private data center, or in your home lab, whichever wherever your VM is. Thank you.